Well, as you can see, that escalated quickly. We had lots of issues that we're going to have to fix. Somebody put a two-piece trunk floor in it long ago. They had a big seam down the middle that was really warped, nothing real straight about it. So the owner said, go ahead and replace the trunk floor. Well, then we got into the wheelhouses, which, as you can see, are no longer there because they were rotten. Somebody had done some patching on them long ago and it was not good. So we got those out. Quarters are all off. We are saving the gutters. These gutters have a number in them on each side, and the owner's adamant that the numbers stay. We can't body work them out or anything like that. So those are staying. Trunk floor extensions obviously getting redone. Like I said, new quarters. We've got a new rear deck filler panel going in up there, as well as these corners. You can see somebody had fiberglassed them all up back in the day. So we're getting these corner sections are on their way, getting a new package tray extensions. We have the piece that goes between the package tray and the rear window that ties into the Dutchman panel, or the rear filler panel as you want to call it. So yeah, we're also replacing the taillight panel in this car, but I didn't cut it out yet because if I do that, there really won't be anything left in the back to brace to or anything like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the trunk floor, the wheelhouses, the fill panel, get that stuff back in place, and then we're gonna cut the taillight panel out and blast behind that. I don't want to cut too much off at once. You can see we've got a big X-brace through the back of the car back here that's tied into the trunk hinge supports, and it's also then tied up into the corners of the car, both sides, and then it's tied into the taillight panel to help brace this from moving up and down so much and side to side, honestly.